Welcome to our vlog.
We're going out. We're going to meet Kuya Zed and Zach. It's been a long time. Medyo grumpy na to kaya binigay ko na sa kanya yung bus card ni Zion.
Mommy, can I do the vlog, Mommy?
Huh?
Can I do the vlog?
You vlog later when we meet them because there's a lot of people. We need to walk, okay?
Okay.
Hey, we made it from Punggol to Paya-Lebar. Medyo nag-iyak-iyak si Ezra ng konti pero manageable. Hindi ko pa rin siya tinanggal sa stroller. Okay, press the lift. So yeah, we're here. Let's go. Go ko. Inaantok na rin kasi yan. Nap time na niya. 1. Yes.
Oh, your president turned red.
So we're here na. Oh, nakikita daw yung train doon, sabi ni Zion. So let's go. I thought dito sila bababa ni Mel. Hindi pala, pagpa-uwi na pala. Yan. So let's go. Oh, let's go. And inaantok na to pero food is life talaga. Kakain muna siya. And then of course, they opened their new toys first, yung Happy Meals. Ang cute na, Zion, show your toy. Close your mouth, baby. So cute. Nom Nom is on top. How about Zach? What is your toy? Oh, same? I know, it's different. It's White Bear. Like Kuya. Kain tayo. Binalon ko ng extra na nugget si Zion. Baka kulang niya yung 4. Okay, we're going to the playground. Ang cute dito. May mga random gnome na, ayun na nakikita sa paligid. Nakakaaliw. Ayun na, may nakikita na naman akong isa. There, ayun oh. Cute. Nandun sila. Oh, I can see it from here. Nakita ko na yung playground na yun. At walang tao ata. Ayun na naman. May mga rin pala, mga resto. Ang cute ng gnome na yun, Para hindi wata. Meron ding relaxing area here. There. Nice. This is ang cute dito, Ayun na yung playground. Nice playground actually. And it's well maintained, in fairness.
Let's go to that rocket ship.
Hold tight. Tight, yes. Tight. Niyug-yug naman na ni Kuya. Ezra parang naka-skirt. Hindi na si Zion. Okay, pag-away na siya. And there is Zion. Go, Kuya, go! Go, Kuya, go!
Go.
Bye! Let's wait for Coco. Gusto niya talagang umakyat. Ayaw niya mag-give up. Nasa taas na siya kanina kaso umiiyak na siya. So binaba siya ni Mel. Bumalik na naman. Grabe si Ezra talaga. He managed to go all the way up. Mag-slide silang mag-auntie. Go slide? Go slide? Huh? Hi!
Climb.
Oh, you just want to climb? Yung bata, pinadede ko lang nakatulog na siya agad. Si Zion nandun sa kwarto nila. Naglalaro sila yata ng Minecraft. And we're watching movie. Merienda.
Mochi. Oh, what? Let me do anything anymore. Oh, you bite your waffle first.
Umiiyak siya. Wow!
Wait lang.
Ay, hala ka. Hindi mo binilahan si si Ezra ng merienda. Ay, meron pala siyang kamote. Special sa kanya. Ganda na. And I'm having coffee. And andun si Ezra. Yun, si Saya nandun pa sa kabila. Ang ganda ng dito, te. Ang puti ko dito sa background mo. So yan, kakain tayo. And then, inantay ko lang si Dwayne kasi nasa bahay na siya. Magpapalit lang siya ng bedsheet. And then, kukunin niya yung sasakyan sa atin niya. And then, susunduin niya kami. Kasi kailangan ko pang bumili ng damit. At wala akong bagong damit for New Year. Alam niyo na, tradisyon. So, yun. Tulog pa siya.
Hindi niya kasi alam maglaro, baka nanonood lang. Ang hilig niyang panoorin yung Super Mario na games sa Little Baby, Mother Goose Club na channel. Meron silang channel for games. Sabi sila, nilalaro nila yung Super Mario, kaya familiar siya. Pero hindi sila wala ganyan sa bahay, kaya alam nila. Pang na older kids. Hindi ko ba napansin, yung suot namin ngayon, siya si Mario, siya si Luigi, ako daw si Princess Peach. Kasi naka-game siya. Tapos naka-1 and 5 to na si Ezra. Sabi niya weird.
You like playing Mario Maker?
There.
PS4? PS4? Yeah, maybe PS4. Okay. I'll do this for the whole party.
Enjoy na enjoy yung bata. Oh. Ang dami kasing laruan dito.
Oh, yes!
Ayun na. Si Coco Melon lang pala gusto niya. Oh, over there. Oh, where? Bakit nilagay mo din yung
Bye, Daddy. Happy New Year.
Bye-bye.
It's raining outside.
Bye-bye. Okay, we're out. And ang tawag doon? We are heading to Suntec. Yes, because I need to buy maybe a dress for myself. Ako lang kasi yung walang bago, and it's like a tradition not to wear a new clothes for New Year. So, I'm gonna buy one. And then, yeah, bukas. Para may maisuot kami bukas. Although we're not going anywhere naman tomorrow. Let's see. And then, yeah, here's my baba. Hi.
If we need anything, we'll go out tomorrow.
How about now?
Yes, we're going out now.
Wow, we're going out every day.
Yes, we go out every day.
Wow. And we are here. Suntec. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, sabi. Nanggaling na kami sa Cotton On. Wala akong nagustuhan. So we're going here at H&M. Ganda is their deco. Whose kid is that? Nahanap na ako. I still need to find another one. Blue color. Oo, asan na siya, Daddy? Boy sweet. we are home and it's already 11. Na we're all ready for bed. Naka-shower na kaming apat. And we just had a quick picture bago sila makatulog. Kasi hindi ko alam kung maantay nila hanggang alas 12. So, ay, gusto niyang kumain.
I think she's thinking whether to make the small ones big.
Yeah.
Scared he will go over and then more.
Ayan, ano na siya ng fruit. Oh, apple daw.
Hello, I'm hungry.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Hi guys, happy 2021, okay? Bye!
Yeah.
Because COVID-19 was not supposed to be here. 2021, Dad, 2021.
This boy, while waiting for New Year, he is reading his book. You wanna eat na? Huh? Again.
Happy New Year!
Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Daddy is not looking.
Thank you for watching. Bye!